seven. I'm dipping in my seven. I'm flossing in my seven.
Alright, so before we were so rudely interrupted, check this out. In the box, bam. What? Those are, what is this? These are SENZER SG500 gaming stereo headphones. Says you can use with computers, laptops, I'm guessing game systems. I guess that's what they're supposed to mean. So make sure y'all make sure y'all watch out for this video. After I use them for a little while, man, I'm gonna do like a in-depth kind of review, let you know what my thoughts are on them, etc. So stay tuned for that. Hey, what's going on, guys? Your boy Alex254, man, tuning in for another one. As you can see right here, we back with another one. This video, as you can see by the intro that was rolling before this, that this is a sponsored video. So basically, some companies reach out to me, they want me to review some of the products. I be gaming and shit, you know what I'm saying? Add me on PlayStation. Gamer tag is LSCR254. I'll put it here on the screen so you can see it, or whichever way, right here, just see that. So these are gaming stereo headphones. I've done some reviews on others in the past. These here are, they said they were collapsible, and I thought it'd be, being a, you know, it's a new system getting ready to come out. PlayStation 5 should be coming out here pretty soon. That should be pretty interesting. So in the box, what's included? 3 separate things. Well, 3 or 4 separate things. It's got a $10 e-gift card. Where you can get, I guess, a headphone stand or a wireless gaming mouse. Here we got instructions for use. A lot of times, a lot of people sleep on reading directions, but it definitely helps. So it shows you how you need to do it if you're going to hook it up to all the different connections. So this one, you can plug it either directly into the computer. You can also, well, hold on, let me see what number 1 was. So number 1 was the product information. Number 2 shows you how you connect it into a PC, or you just wire it directly into the jack. If you have an Xbox One, there is this little adapter that you need to plug that into. Well, the older Xbox One requires the adapter. The newer ones do not. PS4, you can plug directly into the PlayStation 4 audio output jack on the controller. Mobile phone, you can plug directly into your mobile phone if you have that, and you can plug directly into the iPad. There seems to be, I think for the that's just for the audio. Now there is a splitter cable that is included. This is what you're gonna plug into it if you need to split from if you need to go into a microphone jack, a separate microphone jack on your computer. That's when you can do it like that. Said the headset is not only suitable for computers, but also for any 3.5mm audio devices such as Walkmans. I ain't lying, bro. That's what it say. Walkman. So yeah, such as Walkman, mobile phones, tablets, etc. When wearing this headset, the side of the cord should be on your left ear. When using the wash splitter, of course, the green represents the headset and the pink represents, or the red they call it, which is clearly pink. But if you want to be red, we're gonna let you be red. Red for the microphone. When using the microphone of the headset, please make sure that the built-in microphone feature of your computer is turned on and the recording level is not less than 50%. You can open the volume mark in the lower right corner of your computer screen to the setting. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Now let's take a closer look at the headphones. Put it in some nice plastic here. Nice bubble wrap. Okay, so it looks like they kind of fold up in two. Let's see. Alright, so this is how it kind of it compacts down pretty small. Only this side actually like kind of flips back up into itself, so it could pretty much go either way. Go ahead and give you first impressions. Like I said, it said the wire should be on your left hand side. That does feel pretty comfy. Let's go ahead and plug it in and I'll give you my thoughts on how it feels or how it sounds right after this. Alright, so I'm in the middle of editing some wedding photos here. So when I edit, I like to listen to trap music. So what I'm gonna do, plug these in, listen to my trap music, edit. Before I go to work, I got about an hour and a half that I can edit, listen to some music, get that done, and then I'll let you know what my thoughts are. And then we'll use it in a gaming application, and I'll tell you how I feel about that as well. So it'll be like an hour and a half for me. It'll be like, that for y'all. So, alright, so originally I was running it through my Astro mix amp. I was just curious on how it would affect any feedback. So now, which I'm happy with the I'm happy with the results through the mix amp. However, when I was listening to the music through the computer, I was concerned with the audio levels. So what we're going to do now is we're going to use it right here, plug actually into the controller, and see what we get. Alright, so basically, let me tell you what I don't like about this. When I'm plugging directly into the controller, I don't have my sound. I really only had a microphone, and I'm so used to, well, actually it might be a setting for that. It might be a setting for it. I don't remember exactly. Where I can allow like some sound to come through the headset or something. I forget. Sound, screen, system music, audio output settings, HDMI out, linear PCM, display area, video output settings. Maybe I was wrong. I could have been wrong. I could be thinking about another. Let's see, devices. Audio devices, Bluetooth devices. Okay, output to headphones. You can change it from chat audio to all audio. Okay, so I take back that part. You can get everything through there. The audio level still isn't really to my liking though. Although it is decent. It is decent. I do want to say it's possibly louder through the mix amp. Let me test. I'm gonna test that theory real quick. So it's decent just to the headset, but then you have like an extra connection, and while it's kind of beneficial, it's kind of not. That way I could like move with my headset, but then yeah. So, but it does sound decent kind of either way. So. I think you just put it to chat audio when you want to put the rest of your audio through your mix amp. Let's see, plug that in here. USB mic kicks in. Like I said, I can balance the game and the audio, and then I can turn it up. It's way louder. So mix amp for the win, even with these headphones.